This is Joshua from Indigenous POV on BitChute, YouTube, and Liberty Learn, part of the Liberty Network. You might be finally seeing what is happening in the world around you, and it doesn't look good. The banking system going bust, food shortages, the school system, and all the things that may concern you. I'm putting on an in-person workshop called Forming a Community Survive and Thrive Group. This workshop will give you the skills and knowledge necessary to form an effective survival community. You will learn how to create a plan for that sustainable community, how to identify and manage resources, and how to develop strategies for dealing with potential threats. You will also learn how to build relationships with other members of your group, how to create a safe and secure environment, and how to develop a system of communication and cooperation. Finally, you will gain an understanding of the importance of self-sufficiency and how it can contribute to any survive and thrive group in your network. You'll be able to not only protect yourself, but build a solid group that works together smoothly and thrives in challenging situations. So come out just north of Kelowna on April the 15th. All information is in the description below, including a poster. And if you can't make it, go to Liberty Learn, and you can also sign up to the How to Form a Survive and Thrive community group that I did last month. Thanks so much.